In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PayPal limits, quick and simple guide. Let's start by signing in. Open your web browser and go to paypal.com. Log in with your account credentials, and if you're prompted for a verification code, enter the one sent to your phone or email. This extra step helps keep your account secure, so it's worth taking a moment to complete it. Make sure you're on the official PayPal site and using a trusted network before you continue. Once you're in, scroll to the top or bottom of the page and click the Help button. That opens PayPal's Help Center, which is where the most current information about limits and account capabilities is maintained. It's the best place to confirm what applies to your account type and region. In the Help Center search bar, type View Limits, then select the result that explains sending and receiving limits. This takes you to PayPal's official guidance, which is especially useful because the interface changes from time to time and the way limits are shown has evolved. With the updated design, you won't usually see a clear limits box in your profile anymore. Instead, your limits are tied to whether your account is verified. That means the more your identity and funding sources are confirmed, the more flexibility you'll typically have. Here are the common ranges you'll see. For verified accounts, you can usually send up to $10,000 in a single transaction, and in some cases, it can go as high as $60,000 depending on the currency involved. For unverified accounts, PayPal generally allows a one-time payment of up to $4,000, along with an overall cap on the total amount you can send. Keep in mind that these figures can vary by country, currency, and account history, so use them as a guideline rather than a guarantee. To see your exact sending limit, go to Send Payments and start entering the amount you want to send. If your account isn't fully verified, PayPal will display a message showing your remaining sending limit before you complete the transfer. You can back out at any time if you're just checking, and no money will be sent until you confirm. If you need higher limits, PayPal may ask you to verify your identity, confirm your email address, and link and confirm a bank account or card. Follow the prompts, upload any required documents securely through PayPal, and allow a little time for review. And that's it. That's how you can check and understand your PayPal limits. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PayPal tips and tutorials.